What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Pretty much all you have to do is pick up your windshield wiper like this, and what you'll see is on the back of it like a little tab that you can flip up like that. And once you flip that up, now what you want to do is keep that up. Just kind of lift out like that and push down on your windshield wiper and turn out, and you'll see it'll come off like that. Then what you want to do is grab your new windshield wiper, and you want to make sure that this is out like that. You want to have this part up, flip back. Then you want to take like that hook. You can see that hook. Just kind of want to put that hook into this open blank spot like that and push up, and then pull up like that. Once again, I put it in there, pull up, and once you do that, you just take this, pop it back down. You should have click when it's back on, just like that. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. It's probably the same for multiple different years of Toyota Corollas. Alright, thanks. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.